In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the YouTube summary with ChatGPT and Claude extension on mobile using an extension supporting browser. To get started, the first thing you need is a mobile browser that supports Chrome extensions. On Android, a couple of common options are Kiwi browser or Yandex browser. This step is important because most standard mobile browsers do not allow you to install and use Chrome extensions the same way a desktop browser does. So before doing anything else, make sure you have one of those extension supporting browsers installed on your phone. Once that's ready, open the browser and go to the Chrome Web Store. From there, use the search bar to look for the extension called YouTube Summary with ChatGPT and Claude. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct extension, since search results can sometimes show similar tools with slightly different names. Picking the right one will help everything work smoothly in the next steps. After you find it, tap Add to Chrome. Your browser may show a confirmation message asking whether you want to install the extension. Go ahead and confirm the installation, then give it a few seconds to finish adding the extension to your browser. If your connection is a little slow, this may take a moment, so just wait until the process is complete before moving on. Next, open youtube.com inside that same browser. Since you're on mobile, YouTube may load in its normal mobile layout by default, but for this extension to work properly, you'll want to switch the browser to desktop view. This option is usually available in the browser menu. Once desktop view is enabled, open any video you want. Now look toward the top right area of the video page for the transcript and summary widget box added by the extension. Tap that widget to open the summary option. From there, the extension can launch the video summary in ChatGPT or Claude, depending on the option available to you. This makes it much easier to quickly understand the main points of a video without manually going through the entire transcript yourself. If the widget doesn't appear right away, give the page a refresh while staying in desktop view, since extensions often need the desktop version of the site to display correctly. And that's it! Once everything is set up, you can use this method anytime you want fast AI-generated summaries of YouTube videos directly from your mobile device.